In this video, we are going to replace the in-memory user details manager in the Spring Authorization server with users and authorities from a database. We start as usual in the Maven POM XML file. Spring Boot Starter version 3.0.2. Java version 17. Spring Boot Starter Web. Spring Security Oauth2 Authorization Server, version 1.0.0. Spring Boot Starter Data JPA. MariaDB Java Client. And Lombok. In the application properties, we have all the settings of the database and JPA. In the security config class, we removed the in-memory user details manager. Since we annotated the new MyUserDetails service with the service annotation, we do not need to create a bean in the security config class. We have two entity classes, user and authority. In the user class, we have ID, username, password, authorities, account non-expired, account non-locked, credentials non-expired, enabled, first name, last name, email address, and birth date. In the authority class, we have the following fields: ID and authority. The user repository interface extends the JPA repository and has one custom method. Find by username. The MyUserDetails implements the UserDetails and override all methods. And with constructor dependency injection, the user entity class becomes available. Get authorities. Get password. Get username. Is account non-expired? Is account non-locked? Is credentials non-expired? Is enabled? As the last new class, we have a MyUserDetails service which implements UserDetails service. Very important is the service annotation so that Spring creates the bean automatically. With constructor dependency injection, the user repository is made available and overrides the load user by username. Here the user and authorities are loaded from the database. We can also take a quick look at the database structure. In the MySQL workbench, we can briefly go over the databases. This is the same database from previous videos. In the authorities table, we have three authorities: role user, role admin, and role developer. In the users table, we have three users: developer, admin, and user. Note the password with bcrypt encoding. Finally, there is the users authorities table with all relations. This was it for this video. Thanks for following.